Hey, this is Charles Draven from InfoSpike, and I'm going to cover my Aero review. This is an app by Billy Darr. Claims that this AI app can help you build up faceless content in 60 seconds flat without tech skills, without showing your face. So I'm going to talk about this, give you my insights, some pros and cons, and then I'm going to also give you a free gift. If you watch until the end of this video, I'm going to give you a free gift that is an AI way of making money online. And again, it's free. It's something that I've been doing for quite a long time. And just to let you know my background, I have created multiple faceless channels on YouTube, multiple faceless websites and social media profiles, have been testing a bunch over the years, and have also built out hundreds and hundreds of blogs for myself. And so there's a lot of stuff I could share with you. And what I've done is that I've pulled out some of the top. On this site. I have my bullet points, and what you'll see here, it's an automated tool that will help you create faceless YouTube channels. It also helps you leverage GPT. ChatGPT is one of the top ways to generate AI content, as you probably know already. It says it was trained on YouTube videos, millions of them, so it pretty much knows what to do without much manual effort. YouTube is this massive platform. That's correct. The tool eliminates the need for creating videos, being on camera, editing, lighting, building, following. It promises to generate hundreds of targeted views, clicks, and sales on autopilot, allowing users to earn several hundred a day. The system works across any niche, and it's easy to set up in 2 clicks. And it comes with this guarantee, and it talks about how things could be labor intensive using the traditional approach. And then that Mr. Beast and all these people, they've earned millions. By the way, these people, they don't create, they're not known for faceless content, I should say. And so this product here, let me scroll all the way down to the bottom here, contains a lot. And it says that it's only 10 bucks. So I've personally invested in tools for faceless content. Of course, since I'm building out faceless YouTube channels, I want to get the top tools that will help me save a lot of time and money. And if you can imagine, the cost to use AI, especially premium tools, it's not a one-time fee. There are tools that have one-time fee, but they're typically using lower grades of AI, especially if they're very, very, very cheap. So for me, this price, it tells me that if they are using premium AI, it's not sustainable. And if there's another approach that some marketers do. They'll use something called bring your own key, which means that you pay for a platform and then you put in a key that you are connected to. This is like a special, like kind of looks like a password, an alphanumeric kind of string. And you put that in from a company like, let's say, OpenAI, the company that owns ChatGPT, and then you plug it in, and then you will be billed from that system. And I can say at, again, $9.95, if it is not something where you are using your own key, to me, it's not a sustainable business. No matter how much money he may make from this platform, it's not sustainable if he is really, really selling an app. And see that there's things missing from here. He's still trying to build a web page, I guess. Um, so what you get is you get this app where that's 47 bucks a month. You get all this stuff here: case studies, quick start guide, tutorials, and a bunch of free bonuses. So I would say that that would be the main red flag about, when you get a software tool to help build your business, and that is the tool that will make you money. Typically, when you're building a business, you want to build it for the long term. Whether that to you, if that's like a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 30 years, you want to find some tools that will help you grow it for the long term, for the life of that software tool. It has to be sustainable, and it has to be something that has high performance too. Otherwise, if the system is too slow, then it's going to be very frustrating using a very, very slow app or website. And I can say, being here in Silicon Valley, understanding tech, that $10 one-time fee for a platform that might be used by hundreds or thousands of people, to me, it is not something that, to me, I just feel like it's not sustainable. It's not something that a developer, even one that wants to give a big bargain to their customers, it's not something that I would see as being a very high quality, high performance tool. It's just the logistics. You get tons and tons of people to use an app, a server, and they'll be creating a bunch of videos using AI, which requires a lot of performance, a lot of computing power. It's just not sustainable, and it cannot provide that at $10. So that's so far what I'm seeing. It's possible for someone to create some killer technology, but then again, with a very slow server and for only $10, then to me, there's something kind of strange here where I just feel like it's not a sustainable business. Some people might argue saying that it is possibly sustainable because this website and many websites like it, they have something called upsells or one-time offers that they could get a whole bunch of money, and then that could pay for the usage. But I just feel that just looking at this, I feel like it's has a high potential for it just to be there and not be the primary focus of the business. And the companies that I've seen, like let's say InVideo or Pictory, that really focus on AI video content creation, they have partnered with some of the largest companies, even in the audio AI space, like 11 Labs. And those types of businesses where they put a lot of focus and a lot of putting a lot into the experience of the consumer and making sure that they have fast performing servers to produce the content, and they're creating an awesome experience. It's not a one-time fee. It's something that you have to pay ongoing because that's what's needed to sustain the business. So far, that's my take. Those are my insights. There's a lot of great stuff that, to me, it'd be more of a learning experience, just seeing what is being offered here, what is being sold. And if you're into copywriting, understanding the sales process, to me, that would be the biggest learning process of this, just to see, here's his sales letter. I think it's an awesome, very aggressive sales letter. And then just to see what's on the back end and just to understand the psychology of what it takes for someone to buy something. I think that's like the biggest learning lesson, and to be able to see what are the assets, what is the material and training that's included in this, and just to learn from that process. I think learning from that, to me, that would be my focus if I were to buy into this. Not so much the app, but I know a lot of people, they'd want an app that just does what it says. But yeah, that's my take. So earlier on, I promised I'll give you a free gift. And this gift, again, includes AI tools, and they are in their infancy stage. I'm still improving them. And there's some training videos that you'll get with them to show you how you could use it to make money online. And the way you get this is that you just go to the description of this video and just click on the link. You'll see a free gift there for you. And that's all. This is my review of Aero by Billy Darr. And I want to thank you for watching. Take care.